So it is 600 million.
Nanado is wicked. This is wickedness. So they are telling us that just this place, 53 million US dollars. 53 million US dollars.
For digging a hole.
I mean, this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. 53 million US dollars. Why are people so wicked? That's it. Ladies and gentlemen watching, this is it. This is the whole of it. They're all $53 million. This is it. So abominable. Why people? I mean, we need to reintroduce firing squad. We must reintroduce firing squad. Why are we doing this to ourselves? $53 million. Do you know what you can do, my brother? That's not CDO. It's dollars. At today's exchange rate. I mean, why?
$1 million prize of $50 million.
Why? Ladies and gentlemen, you can see they have demolished state bunker. Mr. Mohammed Bamba, I think you are very senseless for asking whether the election over you. If this was your money, would you allow your money to be used in this manner? You people encourage stupidity. That is why the country is such a mess. For once, take off your political lenses and reason like a human being. Do you know what $53 million can do to your village? You live in a village where there is no place of public convenience. School children are struggling. And you come on social media and be asking whether the election over you. Your village. They can't get potable water. Nonsense. If this was your money, would you allow it to be used like this? Whew. When we kick out these thieves in December, President Mahama must, for at least 2 years, reserve this place as a tourist site for our children to come and see an example of wastage of state resources, stealing.
Hallelujah.
Charlie, these guys are wicked though. After destroying all the bungalows, passport office, judges' accommodation. What? Hey.
Passport office, airport.
The annoying part is that we'll build a children's hospital here. We'll build it here. Meanwhile, you see the wisdom between Mahama and the gap in terms of wisdom. When you go behind this building, you see the National Data Center.
Yes, yes.
The data center is just
Yes.
It's just behind these bushes. And it's serving us. And then you sink 50. And then another stupidity. Far behind there, you see that tall building. They said they are building Bank of Ghana headquarters. Then when you go there, they have abandoned phase 2 of the Ridge Hospital. These guys are idiots. No, I'm sure he's going to curse them. If he use the water and curse them, it will work. She use the water to curse them.
And a higher freedom.
Today, we will let the whole world see the nonsense. The materials are getting rotten. Sansoni be not bodria. Sansoni be never bodria. Yeah, over. Sansoni be never bodria. Mufanko bodria. Tumadi kono mudia boy ni mbo mudia. How can people be this heartless? Charlie, this is heartbreaking.
What the $58 million? I don't want to try different passports. Please help us twice and tell Adu question, please. Nobody should touch anything. This is what they have done with my money. My taxpayers' money. This is very painful. Oh, this is very painful. This is very, very painful. Nobody should touch anything. Sure. Don't touch anything. Hey, the man wicked though.
Very, very wicked. Nanado is very wicked.
Okay. After handing over the following day, we should catch up.
Nanado did Tumuya Ding. He's very wicked.
Look at this.
How can you do this?
What God will do? They didn't know that we can invade here like that. Because the soldiers have a check. Today, the whole Ghana to see what is happening.
Oh, the police from Kampamu Shebi. They are sad. The police are watching. They are sad. It's sad. It's sad. What kind of wickedness is this? $53 million. This. And then
we are going to win. So who will continue this? Did you think about that one? Now did you? Yeah.
No, and you see the most annoying thing is that we have some people who are known to be members of the clergy, and then
they are supporting
this thing.
They are supporting this. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate, though.
But Ghana, do we still have Christian council?
Oh, we still have them.
In Ghana?
The hypocrite ones. They are there. It's unfortunate, though. And they are supporting this nonsense. Do you think can God live in this? Can God live in this? God should have mercy.